Greetings, everyone, and thank you all for having the patience and coming back to my channel and watching my videos. If you go and read my bio, you'll see that I do more than make jewelry pieces. I also make handmade soaps, natural soaps. I also do body butters. I also mix around with the infusions and all that good stuff, which I'm currently in my herbal class now. But I want to come and share this soap with you. This is honey and oat and goat milk soap with canola oil, castor oil, coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, and beeswax. And I only use organic, natural, good quality ingredients in my soaps. This is like a facial soap. It smells awesome and it is gorgeous. I just wanted to come and present something different because I'm getting ready to do a little bit different with the channel, trying to mix it all in. I don't want it to just be jewelry. I want it to be more. But thank you for listening.